This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
Okay, all right. So to answer Ray's question, so I agree. The best usage I've got out of AI has been as a helper. So one of the things that I created was a script that would get some information out of some files and then send some messages out. It was some imaging stuff. I wrote the main part of it. I hand wrote this part, but when it came to this part, which is a function that would extract the PDF images, because I know there were images, I want to extract them, I left that function to AI. Now, I kept going with the logic, and then when I got to this point, which is a scanning function, this scanning function takes QR codes or barcodes out of the image, and it would give me an ID. Well, that function, I left it to AI, but I kept writing everything myself. When I did that, when I actually wrote the code myself and left certain parts to AI, I was faster and the script was, done very quickly. With the other one, which is this one, I cannot say the same. Oh, sorry, not that one. I cannot say the same is the importer, no, the invoice extractor. With this one, I cannot say the same. I have been at it for 3-4 days and I'm still working on it, right? So it goes to show what you just said is completely true, and I can attest to it. If I say, AI, do this whole thing, it's totally different, and I fight with it more in comparison to where I do the work and I use AI for a very specific slice. And when I do that thing, it is faster. At least for me, in my experience, that's the time that I have fought with AI the least, right? When I'm just one thing, go ahead and do that function. I don't want to deal with that function. I just deal with the main idea and you do the function. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah.